Hi there! Resetting your password with the myCGS web portal is quick and easy. Let me show you how. First, a couple reminders. Change your password every 60 days and keep it private. If you enter the wrong password 3 times in 120 minutes, your account locks. If that happens, wait 120 minutes or use forgot password. If you forgot your password, no problem. Here's what you can do. Step 1, go to mycgsportal.com and click Login to myCGS. Step 2, on the login screen, click Forgot Password. Step 3, enter your user ID and click Next. Step 4, answer your 3 security questions and click Submit. Step 5, check your email for a reset link. Click to open the Change Password screen. Step 6, enter your user ID again. Step 7, choose a new password, either the suggested one or create your own. And Step 8, confirm your password and click Submit. Your new password must be at least 8 characters. Start with a letter. Include uppercase, lowercase, a number, and a special character. Be different from your last 6 characters and not match any of your last 12 passwords. And that's it. Resetting your password is simple. Thanks for watching and keeping your account secure.